Hi, welcome to National Bus Sales. This afternoon I'd like to take a moment to show you our 2006 Bluebird Vision Activity Bus. This bus seats 44 adults comfortably. This bus is featured with the Cat C7 engine. It has been undercoated for rust preventative with a rust prohibitor. We'll take a moment to lift the hood and show you the underside of the engine, just how clean it is. Again, it is the Cat C7 engine. The tires are in great condition. The rims are also well maintained. I'm going to go ahead and show you under the bus, show you that rust prohibitor. This bus has no body damage. There is no paint flaking, no dents, dings, or imperfections. This is one of the top of the line 2006 Bluebirds. The seating is 44 adult passengers with bench seating. Go ahead and take a look on the inside of the bus. This bus has AC. It has 4 pop-out windows and 2 roof hatches for emergencies. National Bus Sales takes pride in detailing all of our buses before they are sent to the customer. This particular bus has about 33,000 miles on it. It's going to have the power entrance door, AM, FM, CD player. It is air brake. Here are the seats. As you can tell, all of the seats are in good condition. There are no rips, tears. The foams are not beaten down. National Bus Sales offers a wide variety of buses, including new and used, school buses, motor coaches, shuttles, and everything in between. Low miles, contractor trade-ins, anything you can think of. If you have any questions about this bus or any of our other buses, please visit us at www.nationalbus.com